solve for x and justify your answer with either a full sentence or the name of a postulate or theorem. Well, here's the deal with this. These are same side interior angles, so we have the same. Oh, by the way, let me point out, I know that these are parallel lines. So same side interior angle postulate says that if the two lines are parallel, then the same side interior angles are supplementary. What does that mean? It means that if I add x plus 77 to x plus 117, it has to equal 180. So I have 2x here. I add them together, and if I add those together, I get 194. That's equal to 180. If I subtract 194 from both sides, I get 2x is equal to negative 14. And that means x is equal to negative 7. Now, did it ask me for an angle measurement, or did it? No, it said solve for x. So I did. And I justified my answer with the name of a postulate. Okay, and you need both to get credit for this answer. Over here, what do I have? I have two parallel lines. And because I have two parallel lines, I know that the corresponding angles are congruent because of the corresponding angle theorem. Okay? And that means that 130 is equal to 13x, and that means x is equal to 10. That's the answer to that. All right, let's see, 28. Okay, again, I got two lines that are parallel, but I don't actually have things going on at two different intersections. This is all at one intersection, so this actually doesn't matter to me at all. These are a linear pair. And a linear pair are always supplementary. So that means that 8x minus 5 plus 105 is equal to 180, which means 8x plus 100 is equal to 180. What I did there was I took the minus 5 and the 105 and added them together. And that means that 8x is equal to 80, and that means that x is equal to 10. Just double checking here, 8 times 10 is 80, minus 5 is 75, and 75 plus 105 is 180, so that works out. All right. Here, what have I got? I've got parallel lines. I've got alternate interior angles. This is the alternate interior angle theorem, which says that these are alternate interior angles. These lines are parallel. These have to be equal. 95 is equal to 7 plus 11x. If I subtract 95 minus 7, I get 88 is equal to 11x. X equals 8. There we go. All right. Oh, it's another one of those, isn't it? I don't really need this. I only have things at one intersection. These are vertical angles. They have to be congruent. 8x plus 13, let me write that in here, vertical angles. 8x plus 13 plus 9x plus 4 is equal to, actually, it's not that they're plus, they have to equal each other, don't they? Right? This angle has to equal that angle. So this has to equal that. If I subtract 4 from both sides, I get 8x is plus 9 is equal to 9x. If I subtract 8x from both sides, I get 9 is equal to x. And I'm done. And over here, this again, these are same side interior angles. And I know that the lines are parallel, so the same side interior angle postulate works for me here. And that says that same side interior angles, if you take their measures and add them up, they're going to equal 180 degrees because they have to be supplementary. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm going to subtract 55 from both sides. That's going to give me 125. And then I'm going to subtract 133 from both sides, and that's going to give me -8. All right. I'm going quickly because I'm figuring you can always stop the tape and go back, or stop the video, go back and look at it again.